Morning walk like this feel like a quiet reset. The first sign of spring, new leaves slowly unfolding, and the sound of seagulls in the distance. Change happens in a small step, just like the habit we build every day. Today I am refreshing my kitchen, inspired by Atomic Habit, how tiny changes can make everyday life easier and more joyful. And what better way to end the day than with a cozy meal? Spring is slowly making its way here. As I walk through the park, I notice tiny new leaves starting to appear. Small signs of change, just like the little habits we build in our lives. The seagulls are scattered across the grass, searching for food, moving with the rhythm of the day. There is something peaceful about these small ordinary moments. I love to enjoy this moment every day before I start my day at work. There is something peaceful about watching nature shift, a quiet reminder that growth happens gradually, one step at a time. It's surprising how a cloudy morning can turn into such a bright, beautiful afternoon. Suddenly the sun appears. Watching the pigeon bask in the light feels so familiar. It takes me back to London, to the squares I visited few times, where pigeons fill the street just like this. A small, unexpected moment of nostalgia. Before heading home, I stopped by IKEA for a quick lunch. Something simple but satisfying. I picked up few organizer for my kitchen drawer. Lately I have been thinking about atomic habits and how small changes shape our daily routines. One idea I love from this book is environment design. How setting up our space can make good habit easier. A tidy kitchen makes cooking feel effortless. So today I'm making a small change that will make a big difference over time. kitchen feeling more organized. It's time to cook. Tonight, dinner is a mix of flavor: saffron steamed rice and Bengali kebab. Also, I'm going to make Persian style chicken. Cooking, like organizing, is all about small intentional actions. A little change in the kitchen, a simple meal, and a moment to slow down. It's this little habit that shape our daily lives. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for spending this cozy moment with me. See you in my next vlog. Bye.